Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hemingway plugin for WordPress SEO writing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the Hemingway plugin for WordPress SEO writing, first, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Hemingway. Once the results load, locate the Hemingway plugin from the list. Click on the Install Now button next to the Hemingway plugin. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, click on the Activate button to enable the plugin. Once activated, navigate to the settings of the Hemingway plugin. You can find this in the Settings section of your dashboard. Configure the plugin according to your preferences. Adjust the settings for writing style, readability, and SEO suggestions. Once your settings are configured, start writing your content. Use Hemingway's real-time feedback to enhance your writing quality. Make sure to review the suggestions provided by the plugin. Incorporate these suggestions to improve your SEO effectiveness. After you have finished writing, review your work before publishing. Finally, save or publish your post to make it live on. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.